A wave of confusion swept through social media as former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua failed to appear for a scheduled interview on Inooro TV. Gachagua, who had been impeached after a prolonged court process, was replaced by Kithure Kindiki, who was officially sworn in as Deputy President under President William Ruto's administration. Gachagua's planned interview on Inooro TV had sparked considerable interest, particularly in the Mount Kenya region, where the show is highly popular. Earlier, he had announced his appearance on the show, leading many Kenyans to anticipate his insights and comments, especially given the high-profile nature of his impeachment and ongoing legal battles.
Rucio
However, as viewers tuned in, Gachagua was nowhere to be seen, and a new promotional poster had been shared on social media listing different guests for the episode. Neither Gachagua's team nor Inooro TV has issued a statement explaining his absence. His unexplained non-appearance has fueled further speculation, especially in light of his ongoing court appeal. Gachagua is challenging the legitimacy of the impeachment process that led to Kindiki's swearing in, raising concerns about the procedural fairness of the court's decision. As Gachagua's legal battle continues, his supporters and political observers await clarity on his future role and the implications of his court appeal. For now, the silence from both parties leaves Kenyans wondering about the former deputy president's next moves.